Mini Primi Camp is a cozy little paradise, with a total of 4 shelters under the 2 half roofs. There are cozy corners, bonfires, and firewood in several places. Covered outdoor kitchen. Good bathing facilities. And a nice toilet. Everywhere there are small, charming, and fun details. There are oceans of space here to set up tents as well. If you throw this beer stone up in the air and it lands again, you're allowed to drink a cold one. It's time to pack up. After a great stay at this wonderful place. Thanks and goodbye. And see you again. In Ølgod, I visited Xpedit, which is a fantastic BMW motorcycle shop, with a very pleasant and competent staff. They almost forced me to try a nice new BMW or 1250 GS. Fortunately, my 32-year-old Wonder Honda was still a pleasure to continue the trip on, this time to Skjern River Bridge Sheltercamp, where my cousin and her cute puppy brought goodnight beers and made a bonfire. Very nice and well-equipped shelter camp with toilets, outdoor kitchen and firewood.